Whose idea was this? Oh. Who has a foot like that? Don't zoom in! So hey guys, yes, it's me, Arron Crascall. Today I've been challenged to watch a video while eating pork scratchings. Play the video now. Oh no! Oh no. Oh God. How has someone got claws? I can't eat them. I can't. The nickname for these used to be called pig toenails. And now I can look. Oh, they're cutting. Right, okay, let's just get into this. I can easily do this. Who has a foot like that? Oh. Oh, they're so curly. Don't do it yet. Don't be sick yet. You're fine. Who has toenails like that? How do you even look at the big toes going into the other one next to it? I literally can't look at it. Whose idea was this? Okay, even the dry skins give me a bit of anxiety watching. Oh God. Oh. Oh, come on. This is not good. How do people in their right mind let their feet get that bad? How do you even walk? Oh, mate. Right, look at the video, and then look at that. Oh, the other foot's even worse. There's horns growing out of their toes. Don't zoom in.
Oh, junk in this one.
This should be a torture technique. If you want to find information, just let them do this and watch this, and they will tell you any information you need. Oh, mate. Oh, mate. Oh, there's so much soft bit on that one as well. Oh, don't put me off pork scratch. Oh, mate. Oh. Don't. I'm getting a watery mouth. I can't look. Ugh. How does anyone let their feet get that bad? Come on, man. Okay. Oh, look at that one. It looks like one, exactly like one. Look. I feel bad for the person cutting the feet. How was your day at work, love? What did you get up to? Ugh. Right, okay, enough. Ugh. If you want to see me react to any other videos, let me know in the comments. See you later. That is disgusting.